again. Is this a subway? Mom, is this a subway?
Yeah, the subway's here, down in here.
Oh.
This is called the Oculus.
Oh, the Oculus. Well, at least they have an Apple store. This place is... Look at this. Looks like a museum. Wait, what is it called again? The what is it called?
What?
This
Oculus.
Place. Oh, the Oculus. Yeah. I'll probably make one more Oculus video and then head on to the memorial. And then the One World Trade and so on. Bye-bye.